Welcome to PPT Genix. So in today's video we are going to see how to create a dice and how to give animations. Alright, so here I'm going to press the enter key for the new slide. So the easiest way is to insert directly from the net. So here is one option that is called as 3D models. We'll go and select this option, and here we'll just write whatever we want to search. So I want to search dice, and here I am going to select this dice. Okay, so as you can see, there is one icon. It is for the rotation. Either you can rotate this dice sideways or you can rotate it up or down like this. Alright, and here are some animations, some special animations for 3D shapes. So here you can give a right or turnable, which we have already seen, or a swing animation, or jump and turn, or leave animation like this. Alright, so this is the dice which we have just downloaded from the internet. Okay, but in this we cannot make much of the changes. We cannot change the color, we cannot add our images or icons. So for that, what we have to do, we have to open the 3D paint. So let's open the 3D paint. Okay, it works. We'll go to the 3D shapes, and 3D shapes will just take the cube and we'll just insert the cube like this. Okay, so here I want the color of this cube to be black, so I'll just select the black color. Now in the next option, we'll go to the stickers option, and we are going to add the stickers, and just select any one image which you want to add, then just adjust its size and place it. Alright, and then after that press this to apply. Okay, so here on the one side we have this image. Now we will rotate it 90 degrees, and now we are going to add another sticker. So maybe this cake. Let's reduce the size of this image and let's place it over here. Again press stick, so it's here. Again rotate for another 90 degrees, add sticker. So here I have this image. Okay, let's reduce its size and adjust the size like this and press stick. Now we can add the last image. So we'll go to the stickers, add sticker, add this image of the chocolate. Okay, adjust the size. If you want, you can add the images or you can add the numbers. Alright, so we have added 4 images, but now we have to add 2 more images on this side. Okay, so here we'll go to the stickers option, add stickers, and let's just add this image and adjust its size like this. Perfect. Again, let's rotate it to the X direction. Like this, and we'll go to the stickers option and add stickers, and let's add this image of the waffle. And this. Now in the next option, we will just click the right mouse button, first select this cube, then press the right mouse button and copy it. We will just paste the dice which we have created. So now we are going to rotate it as per our requirement like this. Okay. Something of this hand. And let's give this jump and turn animation. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.